So this is my 2012 Honda Goldwing, and when I first bought it, I had an issue. I guess you can't call it an issue, but I had had 3 Harleys prior to this, and I was used to something that this was a little bit different. So I ended up buying a part from Harley Davidson that actually fit on this bike and did what I wanted, and I'll show you what I did. So the part is this that I put on from Harley was this brake lever cover that is supposed to go on the FLT bikes, the big touring bikes of the Harley. It just is a cover that goes over a generic where you put your foot on. This kind of gives it a little sleeker design. And as I was looking around, I thought I can adapt this to my Goldwing. What I didn't like about it, it had just a small footprint. And I suppose I had been used to the bigger ones on the Harleys, and I just couldn't get used to having my foot closer into the bike here to hit the brake pedal for the rear brake. I suppose if I gave it time, but I wanted something different, so I bought this part and adapted it. So here you see it placed from underneath. This is the original size of the brake pad, or the brake lever pad. And there's the shaft that goes back, and this is all the bigger that it was, and I just didn't like that. So by buying this cover, which is basically what it is, just a cover, I was able to, it already had a hole that you see here, this 1/4 inch hole, bolt attached to this. So what I did is I just located and drilled a 1/4 inch hole in the Goldwing brake lever, and just anchored it down. So again, this had a stud attached to the Harley brake thing, and it just happened to be in the right position. It's flush back here, and it worked out great, and it gave me the bigger footprint that I wanted, so that when I went to reach for the brake pedal, I didn't have to go tight into the motorcycle. I could stay out here to activate the brakes. The rear brake works excellent. And again, I wasn't used to this smaller footprint of the Goldwing brake lever, so I just ended up doing this, and I've had it for years now, and I love it.